New innovations are unfolding every day as we speak that can belittle hypercars worth millions of dollars, save the world, and help save everyone's life from prominent diseases caused by air pollution. This potential saving grace I am talking about is electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are not just the future. The electric car space is happening now, and the electric car space is indisputably better in almost every way than the traditional gas and diesel powered engine. As someone who has always been a skeptic of the true wonders of the electric vehicles and obsessed with cars ever since I was a young child, I find myself beyond blown away with the astonishing potential and developments of electric vehicles in recent years. Today, I would like to first tell you about the financial benefits to electric vehicles, how they are changing the world, and finally, how electric cars will play a huge role in solving air pollution and climate change. With all three of these components, we will hopefully have a thorough understanding of the true potential for electric cars. Let's start with why many people choose electric vehicles based off financial selfishness alone. Electric vehicles have many financial benefits that could save American thousands. According to an article published by Forbes in 2019, the article states that people can expect to save up to $1,000 a year with an electric vehicle over a traditional gas-powered vehicle. One problem with the used markets for electric vehicles is that there's not many available as they're so new, and there's a higher upfront cost to get these vehicles, but companies like Tesla are pushing more budget-friendly cars, and they're becoming more obtainable as time goes on. Furthermore, people could save even more money as they add in government tax incentives, and beyond the consumer, manufacturers are also saving money as they are taking advantage of green incentives. As I stated before, electric vehicles will save the average owner up to thousands of dollars a year in gas savings and maintenance. This is seen as it costs only $5 to $15 to charge a battery depending on the size, and compared to the cost of filling a tank of gas, this is significantly cheaper, and the lack of oil changes in electric vehicles due to there being no fluids will also save money for the average consumer. Now that you know something about why electric vehicles make financial sense, let's look at the future changes to come. More specifically, I'm going to discuss how electric vehicles are forever changing sports cars. The performance of electric vehicles can simply not be matched by any gasoline engine. According to the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, his new Tesla Roadster will be able to go 0 to 60 miles an hour in under 2 seconds. On Tesla's website, you can see it is proudly stated that the new Roadster will be the quickest car in the world. Furthermore, according to Mark Kane, writer for Insider EVs, the slowest and also cheapest Tesla, the Model 3, will still be able to go 0 to 60 miles an hour in 5.6 seconds. This is huge, as you can now obtain such astonishing performance for such a much better value than ever before. Furthermore, developments in top speed and range are only getting better and better by the year, leaving us to wonder where this can go. Given the pure excitement of Tesla's performance, I'm sure you are wondering how this plays a role into the environment. No matter the circumstance, electric vehicles are always more efficient and cleaner for the environment, which will aid in cleaner air and less climate change. Climate change is a pressing issue that electric vehicles can help solve. Automotive emissions are one of the leading causes of climate change and air pollution. And according to an article published by energy.gov, we can learn that electric vehicles are less polluting, even with areas with the dirtiest power grids. Air pollution is becoming a huge problem as people's health is at risk. Many health problems such as bronchitis and other respiratory diseases are worsened by air pollution. According to an article posted on Earth Justice in 2020, the author states that there has been a correlation found between people exposed to bad air for prolonged periods of times and complications with COVID-19. Now that we've talked about the future of electric vehicles, let's review what we have learned about these new vehicles. Electric cars hopefully can solve an astronomical and prominent problem that we all face every single day of climate change and air pollution. I've explained the financial benefits of getting an electric car and how electric vehicles are going to take over the entire automotive market and are changing the world. And lastly, we discussed the vast environmental and indirect benefits. I think the implementation of mass amounts of electric vehicles will be very helpful for the environment and future selves. I don't know if we will ever be completely free of gas engines, but at least we can understand more thoroughly, and hopefully others can benefit from this knowledge as well.